Chapter 3 Sounds of Vowels. Short vowel A sound. In tap, hear me say, I am short sound of A. Long vowel A sound. Magic E sings a silent song and makes short sound of A long. Short vowel E sound. In bed, hear me say, I am short sound of E. Long vowel E sound. Magic A joins E along, makes short sound of E long. Short vowel I sound. In kit, hear me say, I am short sound of I. Long vowel I sound. Magic E joins I along, making the short sound of I long. Short vowel O sound. In dog, hear me say, I am short sound of O. Long vowel O sound. Magic E joins O along, makes short sound of O long. Short vowel U sound. In tub, hear me say, I am short sound of U. Long vowel U sound. Magic E joins U along, makes short sound of U long.